Some players have been experiencing Fall Guys 200-19002 error code. In this guide, I will be showing you how to resolve the error code mentioned above, so just follow through the given guidelines. Method 1. Start Epic Online Services. Press Windows key, then type service and press enter. Now, scroll down until you find Epic Online Services. Please right-click it and select Properties. In Startup Type section, choose Manual, then click OK. Next, right-click on Epic Online Services and select Start. Close the Services window and try launching the game again. Once you do that, you should be able to get back into the game. Method 2. Verify integrity of game files. In case you play Fall Guys on Steam, open Steam, then navigate to Library. Now, right-click on Fall Guys, then select Properties. Next, select Local File, then choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. In case you play Fall Guys on Epic Game Launcher, open Epic Game Launcher. Navigate to Library. On the Fall Guys game, click 3 dot, then select Verify. Once done, try play the Fall Guys game again and check if the problem is fixed. Method 3. Run Steam or Epic Games Store as administrator. Press Windows key, then type Steam and right-click it from the results. Now, select Run as administrator and start the game normally. Do the same thing on Epic Games Store. Method 4. Uninstall and reinstall Epic Games Store. If you've exhausted all possible fixes but the error still happens, you can reinstall Epic Games Store as a last resort. That's it, guys. I assume this guide was helpful to you.